Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the best auto clicker for iOS. Let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down a little. Look for the Accessibility feature and tap on it inside the Accessibility menu. Access the Switch Control feature and tap on Switches. Now, tap on the Add New Switch button and select Screen. After that, choose the option for full screen. Next, tap on the Select Item feature and then go back one step. Now, access the Recipes feature, where you can create a new recipe. You can name it whatever you want and assign it to the switch you just created. In the Action tab, choose Custom Gesture and tap on the screen a couple of times to record your gesture. Once you're done, tap on the Save button at the top right corner and go back one step. Now, tap on the Launch Recipe feature and select the recipe you just created. Finally, return to the Accessibility tab, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Accessibility Control. Here, select the auto clicker and close the settings. Next, go to the Target app and trigger the auto clicker by pressing the side button or the home button. After that, if you tap on the screen once, the auto clicker will start. Simply tap multiple times, and your clicks will be multiplied. And that's all about the best auto clicker for iOS. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.